Welcome to At the Movies with Des and Jeff, but it's not going to be about movies. It's going to be about the streaming services and streaming TV shows that we watch, because that's what we did this past 2 weeks, I believe.
Right. It's whatever happened to pass before our eyes.
Yeah. So I wanted to call it At the Movies, but it's not At the Movies. It's like Des and Jeff watch things. That's what we'll call it.
I like that.
Des and Jeff watch things and talk about them. So right now we're going to talk about the new Game of Thrones show, which is called House of the Dragon. Yeah. Rawr. Yeah, there's dragons in it. So what I'll say right now is I was a huge Game of Thrones fan. So were you. We had dragons all over our house, but the last season of Game of Thrones, and some people say even the last 2 seasons of Game of Thrones were pretty, everyone pretty much consensus says like at least the last season was pretty bad, for whatever reason. But the guys that did Game of Thrones, the showrunners, I don't think they're even involved with this prequel. It takes place 200 years before Game of Thrones, about the Targaryens. I don't know anyone's name on this show. So sloppy king guy, we'll call him, sloppy faced king guy, evil brother, girl who's not Dragon Lady but is Dragon Lady. It looks like Dragon Lady, but she's younger.
But it's not her.
It's not her. It looks like her.
It's like her grandmother or something, maybe?
Maybe her grandmother.
I don't even know.
What do you think so far? We watched 2 episodes because I think there's only 2 episodes available. Other than not knowing their names.
Well, that's typical for me with this series because I spent the entire Game of Thrones series still not knowing who everybody was. So
you called that one guy like that's the guy that Jude likes.
Yeah.
That's Dragon Lady. That's the guy that Jeff hates. That's Tyrion. He drinks and knows things. Like the only person I knew was like Tyrion. That's it.
And Jon Snow.
And Jon Snow, yeah, because he knows nothing. This series, I'm enjoying it. What are you thinking?
Yeah.
More like 2 episodes in, but it's good.
It has my attention.
Do you know what's going on? Kind of.
It has my attention.
We need a refresher every episode.
Kind of. I do, but it would be better if I fully understood all the different people in the houses. And Now I know your brother Jude probably knows birth dates and astrological signs of all of them. I'm still trying to figure out who they are.
It's like that meme from Always Sunny where the guy's like he's standing next to the board with all the strings attached to everything. Charlie. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
That's Jude right now. My brother Jude is probably like that, plotting everything out. Yeah, I'm catching some of it. I'm remembering some of it. Some of the names of the families I'm getting. But there's still a lot of times I'm thinking like, I have no idea who this person is or why he's there or whatever.
But it doesn't mean you can't enjoy the show. Like, even if you didn't know all those, you're supposed to be able to watch this one just for what it is.
Yeah.
I think it's more confusing to us because we're trying to relate them.
You were trying to attach them.
Yeah.
I think this is probably going to be a more of like a political drama than an action show because there hasn't been a lot of action.
No.
There really hasn't been any like fighting or other than that joust in the first episode. The opening scene of the second episode was a bunch of people that they're all mauled and beat up and stuff, and little crabbies were walking around them. But other than that, there wasn't any like fighting and stuff. A couple dragons. Now, I'll say this from like a TV guy point of view. The effects didn't seem as good. It seemed like they were a little bit less convincing in this one than the last one. Maybe they have less money to throw at it. I don't know. There's a couple shots of the dragons that were like, I don't know. They weren't perfect, I'll say. They kind of look fake. I don't know. But
you mean they didn't use real dragons?
They did. No, I know. You're upset.
No, I'm never watching it again. They're my favorite part. I want to pet them.
Well,
they would love me. All dogs love me. All dragons would love me.
I'm sure they would if they were real, but they're not.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, so far, that's what I think about the show. I like it. I'm surprised I like it. I didn't even know it was coming out until like the day before. I saw something online. I'm like, what is this? I was like, oh, okay. Because I thought they canceled it actually, but apparently not. So yeah, I don't mind it. I'm actually liking it more than I thought because I didn't, like I said, I didn't really even care. After the last season of Game of Thrones, I'm like, nope, I'm done. Not even gonna finish reading the books. I don't even care. But this got me kind of back into it. So.
I think they waited to till just the right time. So we were all kind of over that last season. They were kind of like, well, yeah, I kind of missed the story. Let's get back into it and see how they do.
And the song came back too.
Well,
They brought the song back.
what's that song remind you of, dear?
Our wedding day, because we had our cousin Danton play it on piano as we marched out.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're crazy, and that's how we roll. That's how we roll.
I think most people that know us know that and expect it.
Yeah. So, HBO Max, that's where you can see it streaming on, or you can watch it on HBO. I think it's good so far. I'm going to continue watching it, and we'll probably have more talks about House of the Dragon as it continues on. But like I said, I just don't. Is there one guy's name Damon? I think it's the guy, the evil guy with the white hair.
Yeah, the evil brother.
Evil brother's name is Damon, but I think
so.
it's spelled like demon. Yeah, pretty sure. Something like that. Whatever. Yeah. There's some creepy parts too, like creepy as in like.
A little cringy.
Yeah, a little cringy. Well, the author of the book he's kind of weird. We'll just leave it at that.
I can tell.
Okay, that's our At the Movie streaming TV show thing review. I'm gonna go finish this wine.
Can I ask you a favor?
Sure, dear.
Next time we do this and you surprise me with a glass of wine, it would be a wine I like.
You don't like this one?
It's dry red.
Mm.
And right now, everybody watching this is going, "Oh, Jeff, you should have known better."
Yeah, I should.
I'm drinking it.
I should have cracked up open and white. How about next
drink
time we'll
it,
crack
but,
open and white?
You know.
You know what? Here, just drink this. They're from Jackass Distillery.
No, it's not.
Is it?
No.
No, okay. Blackbird Distillery.
That's from Blackbird, and
This is from Jackass.
yes, and it's just about empty. I had a little swig of this before the show, so.
Good. Okay. Should we just swig it?
No. Or yes. I'll bring my own drink next time.
We're done.
Ew. Ew. You need mouth noises. Even the dog hated that.
Even the dog hates it. Da-da-dum-dum, da-da-dum-dum, da-da-dum-dum.